Right, playing with my welder. This is my friend's house. She houses dogs. And I need to make this bigger. Posts are undersized for this gate as it is, and they wobble. But as long as the gate's bigger, don't really matter. Just try to get these off. And they put them upside down, you know, so you can't get it off. But they've also welded them. Bastards. I've ground off a bit of the weld. Hopefully it'll come off now. Oh, they've done it to the bottom. Oh, I better get on it. Yeah, it looks like it's gonna go. I just got some steel for that gate. Fucking hell. Ta-da! It's good, there's loads of steel in there. They let me use the toilet. Clean my hands. Fuck off, noisy bastard. Right, the square tube, 7.6 metres long. I don't mind having loads because I've got some in my stock. That was £18, 30mm square. And the round tube here, 16mm round, £7. That's a 6.4 metre length. Pretty cheap actually. I was just gonna add a piece to the top of this, but getting that straight through, you know, without any bends or twists, might be better off just replacing these legs, putting the top on. I think that's the plan. Means I've got to cut all this crap out there and re-drill for the bolts. Fuck. I think that'll do. A bit of cleaning up to do. There's a lot of rust there. But I've got another leg there to go across, so I'll do the same on that. I was going to miter it, but I thought better walk before you can run, so get the rest of them done. Another 4 of those. That was number 1. I've never done this before, so I think it'll be alright. So that's what I've got so far. The other one's cut a bit better. Very small gap there, but that's okay. I've got loads of these gates that I've taken from people's houses. I might have some scrolly stuff to put a couple of bits in the top there, or I might just leave it straight bar, we'll see. It's getting a bit late now, sun will be gone soon, so I'm going to put this away, get the welder out another day. My shed in there ain't set up yet, welder's still in its box. When I get this sorted out, welder will be set up, and I'll just be able to whiz a little bit around it. That's cool, I like that. I guess to people like Jimbo, it's a 2-minute job, but not for me. I could have cut a lot of these joints, you know, or cut them square, you know, when I cut them down. I could have cut them with the Evolution miter saw, but I asked it and it said no. Said it only wants to do thin shiny stuff, so it's alright. Prefer to use my hands anyway. Right, I got all this set up half an hour ago, and then bloody weather rained on me. So I'm going to get tacked up quickly. I've seen loads of videos and people tack it here, there, all sorts of places. Sort of forgotten and lost count a little bit, so I'm just going to get some tacks on the outside corners, so I know that won't twist it. My tables I sighted through, got them parallel so it's not twisted, and the squareness is all already set in for this. I'll have a look, see what it's like, but I'm pretty sure that gate wasn't square anyway. But like I say, I'll just get some welds on. Never done this before, so it's going to be fun actually. If the bloody weather stays away. That's coming. Oh yeah, got a new helmet. It's a clear view, or whatever they call it. Digital thing. It's supposed to be the same colour, or nearly, as what you're doing. Right, that went quite well. Some not nice bits and some nice bits, but I'm quite happy with it. There isn't the hole there, by the way. To say I've never done this before, I'm quite happy with that. Grind will clean it all off. That's probably the best one. Flux or whatever. It's not flux, is it, on these? I've been blowing through these ones. I've tried turning it down, but I've been blowing through these ones, so spot weld, or whatever you want to call it. Oh, here comes the burn. Right, just in time. Rushing as always, but I'm quite happy with that. It's really not perfect, I know, but once the grinder gets on it, it'll be right. I blew through here and there. The grinder will sort it out. It's Saturday today. I'm doing this on an evening because I didn't finish doing the Alcove till about 5 o'clock, and I'm back there tomorrow, Sunday. So I'll put the round bars on when I get home from that. If the weather lets me, that is. That's the other side. Inside corners could be a lot better, but you live and learn, don't you? Well, I didn't warp it, which I'm happy about as well. Having this frame already welded up probably helped. But you see my trestles, you sight them through. They're pretty much parallel. And this is sitting flat, not wobbling around. Cool. As always, chasing the weather. I've been working on them Alcove cupboards today, so just decided to get a bit of this on. My welds, quite good actually, I'm quite happy with them. Bit of a gap there, but I bridged it, so I should be able to bridge it with the rest. We've got them welded round now. I've got the welder set up in there, so all I have to do when it starts bloody raining is just put it away. The new visor's quite good, I can see pretty much what I'm doing. It's got a nice big wide screen on it. What's your problem? Fucking time. Right, did these ones. They're a bit lumpy, so I turned the heat up. I think it was there. You see they melted in a bit better. And these ones, a bit bitty, but they melted in a bit more. Alright. As good as the shite that's already on it. Turn it over to the other side. It's not bad. I think it's perfect, but first time doing that, first time doing this, and I think they're straight. Cool. Let's get some paint on it. I forgot to clean up the inside of here, so I'll have to just rub that down. Almost forgot about the latch, but that's on. I haven't cleaned it up. So I've just sprayed it with red oxide. She's going to paint it black tomorrow. Gate posts are undersized, but they're holding for the moment. That's for another day. But at least you can get a license now to house dogs. That's alright.